Gia. Gia. Are you chewing on American cheese? Do you love Boar's Head Yellow American cheese? Is it so good? You want more? You want more? What about a whole piece? What about a whole piece? Do you love that? What about the whole thing? Boop. What do I put it on you? Boop. Oh, shoot. All right, bye.